I shoot content 4 times a year. I used to literally go out every single weekend, grab 5 outfits, and shoot every single Saturday, but I got to a point where it was not fun anymore. Every Saturday I was dragging to get to my shoots. So I'm going to show you how I plan and execute this shoot that actually is done in 2 hours and lasts me 3 months. So first things first, I plan the outfits. As you can see, like we've got a color theme going on here, green, brown, blue, and pink. Those are my brand's colors. So I get a bunch of pieces that I can kind of like mix and match, like these 2 things together, but also like these 2 things together so that everything can be within my brand. And I get a lot of variety here. Then I go through and I literally get 2 pages of just a ton of different pose inspiration. I go on Pinterest, I type in branding shoot, and I get all of these different things so I can keep my iPad pulled up while we're shooting and literally just like, okay, let's try this pose. Okay, let's try this pose. So that I can get a good variety. We don't want every single picture just being like me staring at the camera, because then when I put them on my feed, they all look the same. I also make sure to get a lot of detail shots so that I can use them to break up my feed and also on my website. And I put together a list of different props that I can bring to this shoot that I can have, again, a variety of different things in the shoot with me. So this is an example of one of the shots that I got. As you can see, we've got like same couch in this one, but totally different outfit, and we've got the laptop. And then like in this one, for example, brand colors, we've got the pink hair, so we got the pink incorporated in, but we've got full body with the phone. I also threw in some denim with this one. I even have pink in my shoes to match, and this one was obviously a very different pose, different style. And so basically what I do with this content is I use these for my cover photos when I'm posting reels or carousels or anything like that on Instagram. And this is an example. I literally make it all on stories. We are making content as easy and sustainable as possible, guys. I literally most of the time am not even opening up Canva.